Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This elegant 4-bedroom home, newly built, could be your dream home with an awesome view of the Caribbean Sea. Minutes from Ocho-Rios, this home is priced for an immediate sale. The lot size of this house is approximately 12,404 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please, watch the entire video for more details at the end.
I begin to I begin to
The asking price for this house is US 495,000 or Jamaican $76.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.